No kizzy. This one right here is a banger. I'm about to show you how to get it real saucy. Look how tender them hot honey chicken tenders are. To 6 eggs, you're gonna add your favorite hot sauce. Next, a cup and a half of half and half. Tablespoon of cayenne, smoked paprika, Himalayan salt, pickle juice. Mix that well and let it sit for 30 minutes. To a mixing bowl, 3 cups of flour, a cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, a tablespoon of cayenne, a tablespoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, Himalayan salt, black pepper. Now we're gonna heat our oil to 375. Take your marinade, pour it into the bowl. We're gonna use that for the batter. We're gonna dip the chicken into the flour, back into the marinade, and back to the flour, and let that rest for 5 minutes. Boom, now that our oil is at 375, it's gonna get our chicken tenders real crispy, golden brown, just the way we like it. We're gonna go ahead and get our sauce together, half a cup of honey, half a cup of hot sauce, put that in the microwave, get it real juicy, brush that on top of your tenders, get it real saucy, drop a little more on top, let's get it.